Hearts of Wheels Comp Program Lesson 3. Why car insurance is so important. Hearts of Wheels. Why is car insurance so important? Because it's mandatory in the state of Alabama. To register and operate a vehicle in Alabama, your auto insurance coverage must meet the following minimum requirements: bodily injury liability of $25,000 per person and $50,000 per accident. Property damage liability of $25,000 per person. The Hartford Insurance website has an article that summarizes these points. Car insurance is required for drivers in almost every state, but it is not a requirement in New Hampshire for drivers to buy car insurance, but drivers there do need to show proof that they can afford to pay the cost of an accident if it's their fault. Most drivers have car insurance because it is the law, but that doesn't mean you should only buy the minimum required coverage. There are many reasons to buy car insurance. It protects you from financial troubles that are the results of costly accidents like expensive medical bills, expensive car repairs, expensive damage to other property, loss of employment after losing the rights to drive. Hearts of Wheels. I'm still not convinced I need car insurance. Can you give me 5 good reasons to buy car insurance? Yes. Number 1. Pay now and save later. Car insurance can help protect you and your family from huge expenses. By investing a small amount now in your protection, you can help avoid costly expenses in the future. Coverages such as collision, comprehensive, property liability, and bodily injury liability can help cover the costs of expensive claims if an accident happens. Number 2. Protect yourself and others. The right car insurance can help protect you, your family members, your passengers, and other drivers. If an accident happens, you want to know you have the right coverage to take care of any property or bodily injury costs that may arise. Number 3. Save time and hassle. The fallout from a car accident can be incredibly time-consuming and tedious. With appropriate coverage, you can avoid negotiating with other drivers and property owners involved in the accident and managing the costs of repairing or replacing your vehicle. Number 4. Peace of mind. Everyone makes mistakes. But sometimes another driver's mistake can become your problem. With the right type of car insurance, you can feel confident that you're protected if an uninsured or underinsured driver hits you. Number 5. Supplement your health insurance. Car insurance may be able to help you pay for medical expenses that health insurance normally won't cover. There are several factors about you and your car that can affect your auto insurance premiums. The following are not the only factors that determine what you'll pay for car insurance, but they are important for you to consider. 1. Car age. A slightly older car can sometimes cost less to insure than a brand new one. This is because brand new cars have a higher market value and will usually cost more to repair or replace. 2. Make and model. Certain auto makes and models cost more to insure than others. Expensive vehicles, such as luxury vehicles and exotic sports cars, typically have higher car insurance premiums. 3. Risk of theft. Thieves find some makes and models more desirable than others. If you own a car that regularly makes the list of frequently stolen vehicles, you may have to pay a higher premium to insure it. 4. Drivers' age. Insurance companies are taking on a huge financial risk with young drivers, so the premiums they charge are going to be higher to compensate for that risk. 5. Buyers' zip codes. If you live in one of the higher risk zip codes, your average annual insurance rates will increase. However, if you live in a lower risk zip code, you'll receive cheaper auto insurance rates. Hearts of Wheels. What does collision insurance cover? Collision coverage might seem simple, but it helps cover damages to your car from many different accidents, including those that involve a collision with another vehicle or object, only your car, like a rollover accident, someone crashing into your parked car, An accident in a car you've rented. Parts of wheels. What does comprehensive insurance cover? Your comprehensive insurance pays for damage caused by natural disasters, like hurricanes or tornadoes, vandalism, theft, fire, falling objects, a civil disturbance, like a riot, hitting an animal, like if you hit a deer. Parts of wheels. What does bodily injury liability insurance cover? If you're at fault for a car accident that injures passengers in another car, your bodily injury liability coverage may help pay for their medical expenses. This coverage helps pay for emergency services and hospital care. It'll also help cover costs for doctor's visits, medication, crutches, recovery wheelchairs, lost income. If you injure another person in an accident and they need time off from work for ongoing care, this coverage can help pay their lost wages. Legal fees. Bodily injury liability coverage can help pay for your legal defense fees if you cause an accident and the other driver files a claim against you. Pain and suffering. This coverage can help compensate injured passengers from the other car if you cause an accident. Funeral costs. If you cause an accident and a passenger in the other car dies, this coverage can help pay for their funeral expenses. It's also important to remember that medical payment coverage can help pay for bodily injuries for you, your passengers, and your family members in a car accident. Parts of wheels. What does property damage liability insurance cover? Property damage liability insurance, also known as property damage insurance, can help pay for repairs if you destroy another person's belongings, like their house, vehicle, office, store, trees, lampposts,